Hi, my name is Shubham and I currently work as a product manager at Karkhana.io. At Karkhana.io, we are currently building a product to streamline the inefficiency in the manufacturing industry. I began my journey with Karkhana.io in 2020 as a sourcing engineer where I used to manage suppliers for CNC machining and sheet metal. I later transitioned into project engineer where I got an experience of working on projects for leading industries. Here, I had to take care of end-to-end operations from managing the customer requirements, executing the projects, conducting the quality checks, and logistics. This hands-on experience has been invaluable to me. Later, this also helped me get a deep understanding of the critical issues faced by buyers and suppliers in the manufacturing industry. As I gained these critical insights of buyers and suppliers in the manufacturing industry, I was offered an opportunity to develop a product which can solve these inefficiencies in the ecosystem. Karkhana.io has helped me move laterally in my career, take ownerships and do experiments. This has allowed me to create solutions that can make big impact in the manufacturing industry.